Hello there, this is Clone Brother Reviews, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can make my Lego Mr. Bean. So without any further ado, let's get into this. Firstly, you're going to want some standard black legs. You can find this on pretty much any minifigure nowadays, so I wouldn't worry about finding this part. The next part that you're going to want comes from President Business, and you're going to want that torso. You'll swap out the hands for some skin colour ones. Those can come from Shaggy, but also you can take the head from Shaggy, which I think works very well. Finally, the hair comes from Superman. If you've done it correctly, your minifigure should now look something like this. Feel free to pause here if you need a reference photo for when you're building your minifigure. Overall, I'm very happy with the way this minifigure turned out, and I hope that everyone else is too. If you have any video ideas that you'd like to see me make, feel free to leave a comment down below or reach out to me on my Instagram. Also, I would very much appreciate it if you liked this video and subbed to the channel. If you want to watch any other videos of mine, feel free to click on the end cards which should be in front of you now.